Friends, now I am going to tell you about palindrome number in uh, the code. I have written the same I have mentioned in the previous videos. The only change is E is equal to E into 10 plus B. That's it. This will be print the reverse number. So you can say reverse number. Now let me run this program. You can see here then I have entered 1 2 3 and it is displaying 3 to 1. If I am entering 1 2 3 4, it will use a 4 3 2 1. Now I am going to checking it is palindrome or not palindrome. As you know how we can check the palindrome number, like those numbers after reversing are same, those are palindrome numbers. Like if number I have entered number is equal to E, then it will display printf palindrome number, else it will display not palindrome number. Is it fine? Like I have entered 1 2 1, it will display 1 2, it is palindrome number. If I will enter 1 2 3, it will display not palindrome number. So now this is the combination of two programs, reverse and palindrome number in C. Thanks for watching.